Hi. In the previous video, we completed the mobile setup. Now we'll build our first mobile test scenario from scratch and run the actions we record on a real emulator. From the left menu, we go to the action page and click the Appium Inspector button in the top right. In the panel that opens, we see that our agent is already connected and the emulator details are pre-filled. No extra configuration needed. Once everything is ready, we click Start Session. The application we want to test opens on the emulator within a few seconds, and the inspector panel loads the page hierarchy along with all element details. On the left we have the XML tree, in the middle the live screenshot, and on the right all locator strategies for the selected element. From now on we can click any element on the screen to inspect its details and save it directly as an action. Our scenario is this. In the app, we'll go to the Profile tab, set our target learning level to A2, and verify that the change is saved successfully. We start by tapping the Profile tab in the bottom menu. The inspector recognizes the selected element automatically. The page name and action name fields are pre-filled based on the screen context, and Smart Locator suggestions are already in place. We click Create Action and save our first tap action to the project. We repeat the same flow for every step of our scenario. Tap the target level field, pick A2 from the drop-down, and finally add an assertion that confirms the change is displayed correctly. Each of these actions is now waiting in our project's action library. With our actions ready, we move to the Automate page. We click New Test Case, create a new case, and give it a meaningful name. From the right panel, we drag the actions we just recorded into the step list in order. First tap Profile, then go to Target Level, select A2, and finally the verification step. Our step list is complete. We hit Save to store the test case. While we're capturing actions, we can revise the action name, action type, and description fields right here in the panel. And if we want to test it first, we can click Test Tap Element to try the action on the emulator without saving it. With our actions ready, we move to the Automate page. We click New Test Case, create a new case, and give it a meaningful name. From the right panel, we drag the actions we just recorded into the step list in order. First tap Profile, then go to Target Level, select A2, and finally the verification step. Our step list is complete. We hit Save to store the test case. Now comes the best part. We click the Dry Run button. Our test case steps start running live on the emulator one by one. Each successful step turns green. In the background, SmartTest automatically captures a screenshot and a detailed execution log for every step. If something fails, we can open the report page and see exactly where and why the run stopped. In the next video, we'll add these test cases to pipelines and learn how to manage automated runs. Thanks for watching.